Hi guys, and welcome back to another Gab's cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out our next analysis like this. So as you can see, right now we are going to dive in with the Bitcoin price action on what happened with our previous analysis, and we are going to understand yung ating bull market support band. Where are we right now regarding the Bitcoin price action? So with that being said, let's now dive into this video and let's give you a quick recap of our previous analysis. So, di ba, sa ating previous analysis, what we were monitoring was this increasing price while RSI is declining. So, those are traditional signs of a bearish divergence, which is a movement or trend reversal indicator. But if yun nga, if wala tayong masyado nakikitang sell volume, then what we can expect is for this to go back to the previous support area. And as you can see, Bitcoin has now went back to the previous support area. And right now, Bitcoin is actually just touching the support area right now. Ayun, no? We just went back dito, and ako personally, I opened a short position dito and I just recently closed it once it touched itong support area na yan. So right now, that is what we are currently seeing with the Bitcoin price action. And as you can see right now, we are seeing a potential support dito for the Bitcoin price action around the 100 MA in the 4-hour time frame. So yeah, I think right now there are two things that we can look at this for the short term. Number one is this 4-hour time frame. If we are going to break the 26,700 US dollar support, if we are going to break this support, then our next support area would be around the 24,300 US dollars. So that is only going to happen if we are going to break the 26,700 US dollar area. And remember, breakout needs to have a sell volume upon the breakdown. So right now, wala pa tayong nakikitang ganong breakdown with sell volume, so that is not yet a confirmed move. Now, what is the next thing that we are going to watch out? So that is by looking at the hourly time frame and by looking at this sa ating RSI. So as you can see, if you're going to zoom in sa ating hourly time frame, you would actually notice now we are starting to see that declining price dito and RSI is starting to increase. But if let's say we are seeing that declining price while RSI is still continue increasing, then that is a sign of a bullish trend reversal. So in that case, makita tayo ng trend reversal to the upside, and that could just further continue this consolidation. Pero if let's say nag-decline siya dito lalo, if let's say nag-decline siya lalo tapos nag-decline lalo yung ating RSI, then that is not a divergence. So in that case, we are going to more likely play out the 4-hour bearish divergence dito sa ating Bitcoin price action. Then we might see this go back to the next support area, which is around the 24,300 US dollars, which is the area na sinasabi ko kanina. So right now, that is what we are going to monitor for the short term. Now, the next thing that we are going to monitor is the bull market support band. So, diba, the bull market support band is the 20-week moving average. And diba, typically, whenever we are in a long-term bull market, we are going to see multiple bounces dito sa area na yan. So, such as that typical area. And whenever na we are going way high dito sa ating Bitcoin price action, what tends to happen is usually go back to that green line pabalik. And that is for us to retest the support and for us to gain more momentum. And as you can see right now, Bitcoin just recently went up and malayo na tayo dun sa ating green line. So, it's more likely na Bitcoin is either going to consolidate or it's actually more likely going to go back to that green line either by retesting or by having longer consolidation. So, right now, I'm expecting more consolidation dito with the Bitcoin price action rather than a continuous movement. So, within the next few weeks, I'm expecting more consolidation or more pump and dump movement within the 24K up until the 27 or 28K for the Bitcoin price action. Kasi right now, I think we need to reset some indicators before we see Bitcoin continuing to the upside. So right now, that is what we are currently seeing dito with the Bitcoin price action. And that is what we are going to dive in dito. And let's try to look at other indicators right now. Siguro let's look at the 200 MA. So, diba, previously 200 MA is actually a very good support area for a long-term Bitcoin price action. I know we have been seeing support area dun sa area na yan. And right now, since we are breaking above this area once again, if you're going to look at the volume, we saw a breakout above this area with buy volume. You would actually notice now we are seeing a new support area which is around the 25,000 US dollar area. So, it's almost the same sa ating short-term support area which is around the 24,300. Medyo malapit-lapit siya. So right now, it's all indicating that 24,000 US dollar area is a very good support area right now for the Bitcoin price action. And we are seeing a lot of signs, not only within the long term, but also in the short term na we are seeing 24,000 right now as a good support within the next few weeks for the Bitcoin price action. And yeah, take note guys, if you want to trade Bitcoin with the lowest fees possible, you can actually trade that with BYBIT. And if wala pa kayo account with BYBIT, make sure to use my sign up link. You can find the description down below. And yeah, yun muna update natin for the time being. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye for now.